Hi there, dear viewers. Are you lacking the desire to have sex? Or you do have the desire, but your erection isn't firm enough for long-lasting and pleasurable sex with your partner? As a man, not being able to satisfy your female partner can be a turnaround in your relationship. In today's video, we are going to give you just one meal to eat that will literally solve all your problems in bed. You must have heard of this species of cereal grain called oats. Yes. In this video, we are going to show you how oats can help you have a long-lasting and pleasurable sex life. You will thank us later in the comments. Therefore, stay tuned and watch the video till the end to understand how it works. If it is your first time here, welcome to Healthy Life Channel. Here we help you stay fit, stay healthy, and live a healthy lifestyle. We lovingly invite you to join our fast-growing community by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. With that being done, let's get into the video. What are oats? Oats are whole grain cereal, scientifically known as Avena sativa. You will fall asleep in the pond of wants as a result of its silky texture. Oats are known to increase the level of testosterone available in your bloodstream. Research on human sexuality has shown that including oats in your diet improved men's libidos in just 8 weeks. Oats have been found to increase the firmness of erection that will avoid erectile dysfunction, thereby having a healthier sex life. Oatmeal. Cooking oat groats, the most entire and undamaged type of oats, requires a lot of time. Because of this, the majority of consumers like rolled, crushed, or steel-cut oats, the type of instant fast oats that has undergone the most processing. Although they cook for the lowest amount of time, the texture could be mushy. Oatmeal, which is created by cooking oats with water or milk, is frequently consumed for breakfast. Porridge is another name for oatmeal. Oats or oatmeal are so important to men's sexuality. If you are concerned about your sexuality but don't want to get into taking sex pills and other chemicals, you properly need to start taking oatmeal regularly, and this is why. What are the benefits of oatmeal to men's sexual health? It helps achieve sexual satisfaction. Have you heard the expression, oats for a bigger O? Oats contain a key nutrient for achieving sexual satisfaction. An amino acid called L-arginine found in oats works to relax blood vessels. It can help increase blood flow into the penis, which is key for sexual arousal and climax. For this reason, this nutrient is sometimes used to help treat men with erectile dysfunction. But you can get it naturally just by eating oats. Therefore, this will help increase your libido, and you will have a stronger erection, which implies that you'll last long in bed. Oatmeal also contains zinc, a nutrient linked with increased sex drive, not only in men but also in women. That's right. The expression attributed to oats, that is oats for a bigger O, doesn't just apply to men but can also be true for women, as oat will also increase libido in women. Oats contain manganese, which has an added nutritional benefit for men. The manganese found in oats will improve hormone levels and function such as testosterone in men. And if you're looking for a source of manganese, it doesn't get much better than a serving of oats. Studies have shown that men who took oats for 7 weeks consistently had a considerable increase in their sex drive and saw their sex duration time increase, and they lasted longer than usual and satisfied their partner. So that is why all men should be eating oats for healthy sex life. You can take oatmeal 1 hour before having sex. You will last longer and be very satisfying, we promise you that. But oats aren't just good for helping support men's sexual health. There are a whole lot more oat benefits for men. The regular consumption of oats or oatmeal can help men have longer and more active lifestyles by avoiding stroke, heart attacks, type 2 diabetes, and many more. Therefore, continue watching to get the other benefits of oatmeal to men, for it can be life-changing. Other health benefits of oat. 1. Maintain digestive health. Constipation is less likely when there is regular bowel movement thanks to fiber. It makes feces heavier and more watery, making them easier to pass. It is believed that cereal fibers, such as the fiber in oats, are more efficient than fiber from fruits and vegetables. According to certain research, the diversity of the gut microbiota was boosted by the breakdown of beta-glucan as oat fiber during fermentation. It may also aid in treating digestive problems such as constipation, diarrhea, and irritable bowel syndrome. Before we continue, a thumbs up will be helpful. Thank you. It means the world to us. Let's continue. 2. Improved blood sugar control. A frequent condition, diabetes type 2 is characterized by drastically high blood sugar levels. Typically, it is brought on by a decline in insulin sensitivity. Particularly for persons with type 2 diabetes or who are overweight, oats can reduce blood sugar levels. They might improve insulin sensitivity as well. These effects are essentially explained by beta-glucan's capacity to create a thick gel, which postpones stomach emptying and blood glucose absorption. 3. Enhance immune response to diseases. In terms of the immune system's reaction to illness and infection, oats have been the subject of much investigation. In essence, oatmeal's distinctive fiber beta-glucan makes neutrophils more capable of reaching the site of illness and eradicating the bacteria they discover there. 4. Help you sleep better. Why are oats regarded as a healthy pre-bedtime snack? Experts claim that oats include melatonin and complex carbohydrates that can increase the amount of tryptophan that enters the brain and promote sleep. Oats also includes a number of vitamins, including vitamin B6, a cofactor that helps the brain produce serotonin. 5. Improves skin. Skincare products made with oats develop a healthy skin microbiota that defends against damaging UV radiation and microorganisms. It is the ideal element for skin health because of its mild detoxifying properties. It works as an exfoliator and lessens puffiness, which helps clear up blemishes and stop further breakouts. Additionally, oatmeal is fantastic for reducing redness and inflammation. In just a few minutes, rashes or sunburn can be relieved by using a paste made of powdered oats. 6. Lowers the risk of colon cancer. Oats have been shown to cut cholesterol and reduce inflammation, but they also contain substances that may fight cancer. Because they contain avein anthromides, an antioxidant that helps prevent cell mutations, oats are well known for preventing colon cancer. One study looked at the effects of eating 1 to 3 servings of oat products every day for 3 months, turns to show that tumor size and quantity have greatly decreased after 30 days. 7. Reduces cholesterol. Oatmeal consumption on a daily basis may help lower your cholesterol levels, despite the fact that high cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. This substantial breakfast item promotes beta-glucan, a specific kind of fiber that speeds up the body's removal of bile that is high in cholesterol. This may contribute to a 15% reduction in cholesterol levels. Also, if you want to know how to reduce bad cholesterol levels and clean clogged arteries, watch the video appearing at the top right corner of your screen or click the first link in the description. 8. Athletic performance. In addition to providing calories and energy, oatmeal is a wonderful source of protein and carbohydrates. When eaten 45 minutes to an hour before moderate intensity exercise, oats have been demonstrated in tests to boost metabolism and performance. When we talk of metabolism boosting, we recommend you the best metabolism boosters available on the market today. They help you burn fat all day long as you go about your daily activities and lose weight faster. You can get yours by clicking the links in the description now. 9. Help control weight. According to one study, gluten, a compound found in oatmeal, helps to reduce the desire to eat by boosting the hunger-fighting hormone leptin, thereby causing you to crave less for food when it is eating time. These health benefits will surely make you pick up oats on your next visit to the grocery store. It's never too late to begin living a healthy lifestyle, so you can start now. Moreover, some additional benefits can also make you take up oats as a healthy snack option. These were some benefits of oats or oatmeal we had for you. If you know of any other benefits, please tell us in the comment section. We are eager to know. If you found this content informative and helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also, share with a friend or family member so we can spread these incredible benefits of oatmeal to the whole world. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Now you can choose any video on our channel to watch next. Thank you for watching.